Compact projectors usually come with compromises, but this one is clearly built to challenge that idea. From the first moment it's powered on, it feels like a product designed for people who want convenience without sacrificing quality. The design is clean, modern, and minimal, making it easy to blend into almost any setup, whether it's a living room, bedroom, or a temporary outdoor space. Image quality is where this projector really makes its case. With full HD resolution, visuals appear sharp and well-defined, even on larger screen sizes. Text stays readable, fine details remain intact, and colors look balanced instead of oversaturated. Movies feel cinematic, animated content looks vibrant, and gaming visuals stay smooth and responsive. Brightness is strong enough for everyday use. In darker rooms, the image feels immersive and punchy. Even with some ambient light, the picture doesn't completely fade away, which is something many portable projectors struggle with. Shadow details remain visible, and highlights don't feel blown out, giving the image a more natural look. One of the best parts of using this projector is how easy it is to set up. Automatic focus and keystone correction work quickly and accurately, adjusting the image within seconds. There's no need to manually align angles or tweak settings every time you move it. You place it down, turn it on, and it handles the rest. Sound performance is surprisingly solid for a projector this size. Built-in speakers deliver clear vocals and decent low-end presence for casual viewing. Dialogue is easy to understand, and music doesn't sound flat. For a more immersive experience, wireless audio support allows easy pairing with external speakers or headphones. Portability is a major highlight. The included carry case adds real value, making it easy to transport and protect the projector wherever you go. It's ideal for travel, business presentations, or spontaneous movie nights. Battery performance supports extended viewing, giving you the freedom to enjoy content without being tied to a power source. The smart system adds another layer of convenience. Built-in access to streaming apps means you don't need extra devices or cables. The interface feels responsive, transitions are smooth, and app loading times are quick. Screen mirroring also works reliably, making it simple to share content from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. Connectivity options are well thought out. HDMI and USB ports cover wired needs, while Bluetooth and Wi-Fi handle wireless connections effortlessly. This flexibility makes the projector useful for entertainment, work, and even light creative use. Noise levels are kept impressively low. Even during long viewing sessions, fan noise stays minimal and doesn't distract from the experience. Heat management is efficient, allowing the projector to perform consistently over time. Overall, this projector delivers a well-rounded experience that focuses on real-world usability. It's built for people who want a portable big-screen solution that's easy to use, visually impressive, and versatile enough to fit different lifestyles. If you're searching for a portable projector that balances performance, smart features, and mobility, this one is worth serious consideration. And if you're ready to pick it up with the carry case included, the purchase link is available in the description below.